Oh my God, wow, that landed with some heft. Is this something you're gonna try to take home?
Honestly, none of us here knows what's in that box. Absolutely nobody.
Yes.
YouTube themselves sent this box to us. None of us have opened it.
That makes me concerned. Is this like an anti-play button of like, JK, we deleted your channel?
This is actually a copyright strike and a plaque.
Yikes. Well, thank you, YouTube. I think it is a thick box for
Another box.
Wait, no, it's not. Oh. Thank you. All right, well, I've got my little pull tab here. Shall we, my friends?
Yeah.
Oh
Ooh.
my God.
Is that Tiffany blue?
Copyright not intended. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, it shares the same name as you. That's cool.
I think they meant to send it to me.
Is it a poker table?
Backgammon set.
Oh, that's what?
Oh,
What?
man.
Why?
It is very heavy.
Why isn't it not Moncala, dude?
Okay. Look, thank you very much, YouTube, for the beautiful set.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
And you open it up, bang, that's actually pretty nice.
Okay.
Oh, they actually made a custom video for us.
How do you know it's for us?
Because it's an unlisted video.
To start the game, each player rolls a dice. The player with the highest number goes first. If double...
It's kind of complicated.
Yeah, I don't want to play this for video.
Let's try to play. Thanks, YouTube. This is a very thoughtful gift. I will learn how to play backgammon soon. Thank you. This is the Turtle Beach. Turtle Beach still exist?
Mm-hmm. I mean, you literally are holding a product from them.
This is new.
This is brand new. It just came
2024?
out.
They also make a racing sim now, too.
All right, so this is the wireless smart controller. So it's clearly got a screen. It says it's got rotating modules. So I guess you can just pick up and like move your sticks around and stuff?
No, baby bird. We don't pick things up around here.
They rotate in the controller?
Yeah.
Bro, they just made this to go viral on TikTok. Brother.
It worked.
You want a tramp stick? I mean, sticker? Turtle Beach sticker?
Imagine you go home with someone and they have a Turtle Beach tramp stand.
No. Wow.
Oh, brother. Okay. So this is my stealth pivot. Twist the stick caps to raise and lower. Okay, twist to raise the sticks. So I'm gonna twist them.
Bop them.
Oh, they go in. Oh. Okay, so I see how you can make the sticks go up and down. Although when they're down, they technically still work, but they feel terrible. But I'm guessing that that's when you rotate it, right? So how do you rotate?
So I think there are locks on the back.
There are locks in the back. Okay, I'm gonna unlock them. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Brother!
Wait, that's actually kind of sick.
That's
Wait.
actually kind of crazy. All right, so just using this as like a normal controller feels fine. I mean, like very similar to like a normal Xbox controller, nothing particularly fancy. All right, so I'm gonna go innie, pivot. Wait, yes.
But how are you gonna?
This is the worst game for you to try this
No,
out.
it's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. So I think I get the idea here. I'm not sure how much you're going to find this useful, if I'm honest with you. I think it very much depends on what kind of game you're playing. For a racing game like this, obviously it is completely useless, which is maybe a reason why I shouldn't be using this as my demo. But I will say all the buttons do feel reasonably decent. I still will maintain that the pivot was designed to look cool on TikTok. I don't think it is the most practical thing in the world, but at least it's something different. I've never seen anything like this before. It's actually kind of neat. Now, my guess is that this controller is going to cost $200. I feel pretty confident in that one.
Your confidence is unwarranted.
Yeah, you're just outright wrong.
Yeah.
180?
You're outright wrong a second time.
So if you bought it retail, full retail,
yeah.
it's $130, and we bought it on sale for $90.
See?
I'm actually kind of surprised that this is not bad. I'm actually kind of about this. And I'm gonna make a TikTok using it. I'm like, hey, guess what? Guess what? Look at this super cool new controller. JK, it's a totally pivoted controller now. Riz.
I hope that's not the TikTok.
That was a TikTok. I just did it live.
Crap.
Hey, Kinsey, you're in here. That's new.
Yeah, I'm here because I have a mystery tech that I picked out.
A Kinsey
God.
tech? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm very excited. Oh, comes a little burlap sack?
Yes.
It's called a tote bag.
No, I realized that maybe the burlap was slightly overstated. Okay, so this is specifically for mystery tech.
Oh my God.
What does it say?
We
WinRAR!
bought it? We bought it?
baby.
We were the first
What?
people to ever pay for it.
Oh, it's a purse! Yo! Yo!
That's really sick.
That is so rad! Whoa, hang on, wait. So basically, after many years of failed monetization attempts, the WinRAR company has finally figured out how to get people to pay for something, which is to turn their icon into an adorable, not tote.
Wait, does
right?
does it come with a license?
Unclear. For all you kids out there, the icon looked like this stack of books, because if you had a bunch of files and you wanted them to get smaller, it's like stacking books together and putting a belt around it. And so WinRAR would also, there was a lot of software that could do this, but WinRAR was you downloaded it for free, and then after 30 days, it would have a little thing saying like, hey, can you please pay for WinRAR? And then you could just say, no thanks, and then you could just say no thanks every time and never pay for it. Hence, no one has ever paid for it, and so they're recouping their investment by that sick nostalgia, but this is so cute.
That's really rad.
Yeah.
So, how much did you pay for not only your guilt
This was honestly, I feel guilt absolved because this was like a limited edition thing, so it was $150.
Okay.
You just paid for every person's license.
Collectively.
Like, for all my 20 years of not paying for WinRAR is now absolved because I bought the bag.
If you too would like to be absolved of your past sins,
Your SINRARs?
That's pretty good. Can you still buy it though? Or is it sold out?
So it's sold out currently, but they said they're restocking it soon, so I guess keep that in.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Time to make right, and I'm gonna go buy a physical Napster real quick.
Yeah, and they guarantee that it will be pop-up free.
Oh! That's really funny. That's a really good one.
No, it's when you say it like that, it's really not.
Do you hear the sounds, perhaps?
No.
I hear a very ominous sound. The return of something that I have not heard in many a moon.
The single life?
Many a moon.
Sea shanty.
Getting warmer.
Laughter for this bit.
Oh.
Damn it, Mike.
The silence is deafening.
Here's the thing. A few months ago, there was a momentous occasion that occurred on this very YouTube channel where Formation of Friends was foundationally featured in a fantastic, fabulous, and fun-filled activity.
No.
My friends, I have news.
Oh, God.
The Banjo boys are going big, baby! I got the record deal!
Really?
So take a closer
Wait,
look.
we're
my
on
friends. Take a
iTunes?
look. Take a look.
Where's my royalties?
Now playing. Oh my. That is terrible. Why?
The Banjo Boys, available on vinyl and apparently Spotify coming soon.
What?
Yes, behold my friends, the Banjo Boys. Hit single, available now.
What?
Now,
This is exactly the way I recorded it. Yeah.
it sounded better before.
Did it?
I gotta apologize to the crew. I spent our entire 2025 travel budget trying to get this vinyl pressed. Unfortunately, I think that I uploaded the wrong file.
What? No, you played again. I got it. We got
Okay,
it.
all right, let's just try. Can we just make this a thing, okay? Let's just make the best of it. We'll re-record it live.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Banjos. They're all that we know because we're the Banjo Boys, and one day we'll be Banjo Man. Banjo Boys, coming to a small town eatery near you, 2026.
Starbucks.
Outside, asking for tips. Oh, no.
Also, this is not a vinyl. That's plastic.
What? Oh, wait.
There's a good chance that this is not a record whatsoever.
This is actually a coaster.
Yeah, like.
Oh, so I gave him our whole budget and. Oh. Okay, so this is Car Domino. Now, hold on a second. Is this a way to automatically place your dominoes?
Duh.
Are you trying to tell me that the kids have got it so good that they don't have to spend 3 hours setting up an amazing domino race only to accidentally have their little brother, and I say accidents in quotes, knock it over and you have to restart after you cry for about 15 minutes and you have a little pick-me-up of PB&J to make you feel better? No, just me? That's not, oh. What am I, oh, it even tells me. Okay, place the chip flat, place the chip.
You realize this is for 3 and up, right?
So basically you have to load a clip.
Yeah.
You're loading a clip.
It's America, baby. It's for children.
Yikes.
Start them early.
And then you insert the loaded clip into the top of the car and then it drops your dominoes. This is, I will say, an impressive amount of dominoes. Although they're very they're very plastic. They're not like,
Yeah, those are the Five Below ones.
I agree, but there's a lot of them here. And then we have our, oh good lord, these are the clips.
We got the extended.
All right. So I actually need to read the instructions because I don't think I'm gonna be able to figure this out.
Finally, you admit it.
Yeah, this
Wait,
looks like,
this is, of all the things we've looked at, this is the one that you need to read the instructions.
that is true, this is true. Okay, so I like it's a little clear car, so you have a wheel so you can turn it.
Oh, that's cute.
And then you load the clip here. Wait, I need AA batteries for it?
How many?
I need 2 AA batteries. You want to put your clips together? Oh, you got a head start on me?
Yeah, but I am doing a little design here.
So wait, so we need to go.
Hold on.
Ooh.
It's about as good as you're gonna
That
get.
actually does sound like a.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, is everyone ready?
Get ready to turn the wheel.
Yeah.
Because
I
this
know.
thing's gonna fall off the table and.
Okay, I'm gonna back it all the way up. Ready
Also-
and.
Why did you?
Oh, we just straight just drops
that's
it.
actually,
Oh!
that's actually kind of
that's
adorable.
nice.
All right, we're making the turn. Oh, we're gonna have to reload real quick here. I'm gonna let it run off the end. How am I gonna do this? Wait, I'm gonna use the truck.
There's
to drive
not
into
too
it.
many ways to do this.
What if I use the
Oh.
truck to drive
No.
into it?
That's a bad idea.
Yeah,
This is gonna.
The speed of the dominoes are faster than the speed of the truck. I think this will work. Okay, is everyone ready?
Oh my god. All right.
That's such
Okay.
a terrible idea.
3, 2,
I'm pretty
1,
convinced you
let's
have to
go! Yo, let's go!
Oh my god. I will admit, I did not see that coming. I should have.
I believe there specifically says don't swallow.
Yeah, we're gonna throw that one away.
How much is this? This beautiful Domino car, which is actually legitimately pretty cool.
Yeah, well, it was a lot of fun.
Yes.
It was $27.
A steal.
yeah.
As in, you should steal it. I mean, no, don't do crimes
No.
and don't post crimes on YouTube. But
Well,
buy
if you-
it with money that you have.
If you want to steal it, you have a weapon.
Okay, well, you threw it, so it can't be that valuable expensive. Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mystery Tech. What do we have here? Well, it's not that heavy. Moderately heavy, I would say.
This might be the most expensive box we've bought in Mystery Tech for quite a while.
What? What do you mean it's the most expensive? You just threw it, and I.
Yeah. So I couldn't get in the original box, otherwise it would be like $1 bajillion, but.
It's a Dorito controller.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, we'll look at that in a second. So it's definitely some kind of.
The wheels are turning in his head.
Well, it's
Is this a Game Boy laptop? What?
You're almost there.
Well, I'm supposed to say that because I see what looks to be a screen and like an input, and also Game Boy Advance game and a Game Boy Advance link cable. What?
So we have here one of the rarest Game Boy Advances that you could
IQ?
ever buy. No.
A Visteon Game Boy Advance. This is absolutely, I've never seen this in my life. So I'm assuming it's just like a big old like DVD player or something. What the hell is this?
So basically, the idea is that this was an add-on accessory for cars. Some OEMs like Mazda, I think, officially sold it. But
Really?
you can actually, I don't know if this is the specific one that they use for cars, but it's the same like type of licensed Game Boy Advance system that they would use for, you know, mobile entertainment.
Okay, now wait. Is this is not the actual control for this thing, is it?
So the main thing here is
Yeah.
you cannot use this thing without a controller.
I can see that.
And the controller itself, if I were to just source a first-party one,
Yeah.
is $400 or more, or at the lowest end. This one came with it, and it's third-party, and I'm pretty sure it's Sky because this was probably bundled with like a Sky top box or something in the UK. So just for scale.
Okay, well let's fire it up and hope that it works. It's supposed to work, right?
I saw pictures. It should work.
Oh, Dockwell Entertainment featuring Game Boy Advance. Oh! Game Boy Activate, baby!
Oh, there we go.
Okay. First of all, Crash Bandicoot music
So
slaps.
good.
Why is it black and white?
That is a great question.
How about this? Let's try a different game.
Sure.
It's definitely working though. All right, let's try copy of Pokemon Ruby. Noted, good game. Hey, wait, actually though,
What?
Hey.
that works with color. I don't know why this game that they gave us apparently forgot how to color. It definitely looks like it's connected via AV. Now I can press the screen button if I want some gross stretched nonsense. I will say some of the buttons don't seem to work very well, but it is generally working-ish. The screen's getting wicked. Oh, do you see the screen? It's like freaking glitching out here. Live Austin reaction. How much was my my Game Boy Advance Doohickey 9000?
How much do you think this was, knowing that a first-party controller costs $800?
I mean, keep in mind, it's a dealership add-on. When was the last time you saw a cheap dealership add-on?
This is $600.
You're not taking this seriously.
So
$600 times 2.
I will give. So $1,200 is what most of them go for on eBay.
Oh my God.
It's acting up my sciatica.
So the MSRP for just the head unit, that little guy right there, was $1,300.
20 years ago?
Or $1,700 if you installed it at the dealership.
How much was this? How much do we pay for this?
So I was able to get this for $700.
Okay.
Why do you sound so confused?
I don't feel better about that.
I feel like that's like that's like the classic thing of like that something's bad. Like, you want the bad news or the really bad news? You try to like prime me with the like.
Yeah, there was no good news
It's
there.
cheaper than it was.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we can all say we learned something today, or at least I did, that the most expensive Game Boy Advance of all time was apparently built into the back seat of your dad's Mazda 6. The Banjo boys are out of money now.
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know what we're gonna do once the copyright money lands in our account.
Dun, 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 dun.
And now, the banjo plays again.